Seatbelts to secure the future. When your vehicle decides to suddenly and inexplicably stop, there may be a chance that you might have a significant emotional event, that being your face making contact with the solid iron wall. If your tank or vehicle is going at excessive speeds, like this German Leopard tank, this happens. As we can see, it just got stuck. Herr Kaloin, ich glaube, wir stecken fest. Blödsinn, Hans. Gib einfach einen Wink. Kann du das auch riechen? With the fuel tank explosion on the Leopard, we show off the true power of seatbelts with this fine and glorious Centurion Mark III. Yes, the one, the only, the true Chad. This bad boy can fit so much countries in it. The Royal Navy should be ashamed. Look at this bad boy. Look at this absolute unit. Look at it. It just waltzes in even though the artillery is still firing upon it. Look at it. An absolute unit. Smashing right through that house like it was nothing. And to show off how powerful it is, we smashed another house in half. Bam! Like it wasn't even there. Unlike the delicate little German tank, this true British knight doesn't stop, for it has seatbelts. Yes, yes, the mighty old seatbelt. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. If that was a German tank, it would have broken its tracks or exploded. Hurrah!